Let go ant let God. Trust in the Lord with all our heart. Ant lean not on our own understanding. In all our ways acknowledge him. Ante sal de rest our paths. Proverbs 3:5-6. Maya Thompson is a young woman. Witte an extraordinary heart. Sy belief is Efraione deser viskundes. Second chances. Ant in sondetional lofe. In fortunatelei. Manne pople mistake herkennis voor weakness. Trouwgelif is trials. Maya leern stad lofing otters dus not meer neglichting herself. Ant had Gods plans. Are always greater dan haar oven. Te weigert ze tarit. Maya spends Efrai die helping familie, vriends. Nijgebouwers, aanstrangers wiele se lentlei karang financieel struglis, loneliness. Ant emotionaal efhastion. Efraione knofser name. No one knofser pijn. Maya collapsing emotionale aanstrang uit de God voor help. Maya begint setting boundaries. Some people respect haar. Otters bekome angry betouwse tij, dan no longer is haar generositeit. Sy struglis with the geld intil sy realing is dat Jesus himself so met die miswalk het of hy from the crofts to rest aanpraai. The people Maya trusted most betray haar. Moenie disappears. Promises are broken. Friendships end. Instead of bekoming bitter. Maya foos is voor gefenis. Tauge het is one of the hardest decisions sy has to always made. Mond is pas without answers to Maya's prayers. Sy wonders of God heers haar. Tense distoevers dat sy lene dus not meer in absence. God is working even when sy cannot see him. An ine pested opportuniteit changes Maya's life. An neef career. Neef friendships. A healthy vers familie. Sy begins to see dat God was closing all doors to open better ones. A loof het one bekome seriously ill. Maya must so sy between fear and fight. The doctor told her that. He called not leave at the hospital. Without over $1 million worth of. Assignment anti-medication to go with them. Sy leerns dat trusting God dus not eliminate pijn. Het gevest strengte to endure it. Maya finally confronts. The pijn se buried for eiers. Chill to it wounds. Disappointment. Rejection. With God's help. Sy begins jaling from the inside out. Sy ten decided to walk it in haar purpose. Women begin seeking Maya's advieke. Without realiking it. Haar liefde has bekome a testimony. Sy starts in toeraging otters trouge bibelstudies, community outreach, en personal mentoring. Maya finally releases Efrai burden. Sy cannot control. Sy stops trying to fee Efraione. Instead, sy prays and trusts God to do wat only kan do. Slowly letting go. Haar hart bekome is lichter dan het as Eferbeen. Nov older and wiser. Maya wants to speak to other women. Dat mig het havebeen trouge haar story. Or is gong trouge haar story. Sy wants to sare te story of haar liefe. From a question and heartbreak to jaling and purpose. Looking agros te room. Or anijvere eeu are. I my sanot see eeu bid eeu tan Jeremie. I is it to think. A had to save Efraione. Tene discovered dat tere is already a safir. Antes name is Jesus. Manai of eeu hold bach to a long cry if eeu have to. Praai if eeu have to a knof dat voor some het mig het ba verstimme voor eeu. Voor toese woe havend getere uit. A praai dat eeu vind het hourage to voorgive. To heal or simply to rest. If teer is one tinge want eeu to remember. It's this. Do our best. Loof people. Voorgive feitly. Praai often. Trust completely. And when liefde bekome is to a halfway. Let go. And let God. Betouwse his plans are always greater dan ours. Manai uit haar mig have a story or is gong trouge stories like Maya Thompson. Or. Eeu are at a point were eeu have to let go. Deze lessons are for eeu. Even te strongest people need God. Saing no to people dan so met die mismeen saing eis to God. Voorgifenis heels te one woe voorgifes. Continuous believing before het een miracle arrives. Dat is feite. God's timing is perfect. God walks with is trouge Efrai storm. Jaling starts with the honesty before God. Our greatest ministry often comes from our greatest pijn. Sierender brings piase. Wat God has voor jou cannot betaken away. God never was is our suffering. Don't forget to like a subscribe comment aan Sarah with otters.